How to use auto clicker on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, iPhones don't have a built-in auto clicker app like Android, but there is a smart workaround for you. For that, you'll need to head over to Settings app and then go to Accessibility, then scroll down under Physical and Motor, head over to Touch and then tap on Assistive Touch and then turn it on. Now you will see a floating button appear on your screen. Now you will need to tap on Create New Gesture at the bottom. And now you'll need to tap repeatedly on screen to record your clicks. You can also press and hold to simulate long presses. Now once done, you can hit save in the top right and then you can give your gesture a name. So hit save. And then now you can go to your assistive touch button and then you can go to custom and select your save gesture. Like I just saved it, it's named happy, and once you tap on it you'll start the auto click automatically wherever you place it on screen. You can adjust the speed and pattern by recording different gestures depending on your needs. And that's it. That's how you use an auto clicker on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.